Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 195 on when you install AMD software. Cannot continue because it is unable to access required web resources. So the possible cause is your system antivirus software, firewall settings, or the AMD servers are temporarily offline for maintenance. So the solution is let's the first one go to the read about point 4. The AMD servers may be temporarily offline due to maintenance, so you cannot do anything about this. So you have to wait the servers continue running, maybe 2 days, maybe 1 hour, 3 hours. So you have to wait. After that you can install normally. And so the point 1, make sure you are running latest version of AMD Auto Detect and install tool or full AMD driver package, which can be found in here. So you can download Windows Auto Tool, or you can download manually by graphic card. For example, choose your Radeon series, for example. Here, submit and choose your operating system, and here we go. You can choose a AMD Software Pro Edition or AMD Software Adrenaline Edition to install on your PC. So and also make sure your internet connection is good, and you can disable antivirus when you install or rerun the AMD software installer. You can disable your Malwarebytes or Windows Defender first, and also you can configure your system firewall to allow traffic with AMD servers. So here you can search allow an app through Windows Firewall. You can click it, and here you can check on AMD. So feel free to try solve this problem. Please read carefully on AMD official website about this error 195. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.